Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to delete an Instagram story before it finishes uploading. So let's say that you upload a story and you make a mistake like not tagging a person or any other mistakes, and you want to not upload, you don't want to upload that story anymore. So what you need to do is just I'm going to just start by showing you how. So I'm going to just pretending uploading a story. For example, I want to upload this photo right here, and then I'm going to click on your story like this, and then here before it finishes uploading you need to go to your data and then click on airplane mode, and then after that go back to your story. So you can see now the story couldn't be uploaded because there is no signal. And then instead of click on the try again, you can just click on the three dots icon and here delete the Instagram story before it finishes uploading. Just click on delete again, and now your story has been deleted before it finishes uploading. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the thanks below, like this video, leave a comment, and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.